Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong math problem coming from the past years. Yung UP Math Wizard 2024 last year mga Lodi Cakes, and this came from geometry. Pero before that, shoutout muna sa lahat ng mga bagong mechanical engineers and congratulations sa inyo mga Lodi Cakes sa pagpasa nyo during the recent board exam, and more power sa mga Lodi Cakes natin. And also shoutout sa Lodi Cakes ko, si future engineer Jimsel Valdez Laroa, and I hope you all the best Lodi Cakes and more power sa'yo. And I hope you all the best. So yung problem natin, which is good for 60 seconds, suppose a circle is tangent to the hypotenuse of a right triangle and to the extensions of the triangle's legs. Find the radius of the circle if the legs of the triangle are 5 cm and 7 centimeters. So ganito yung drawing niya mga Lodi Cakes. So medyo maliit lang, sorry ah. Pero in terms of explanation na lang, we have a circle here in which the circle is tangent to the hypotenuse of the right triangle, and the right triangle has legs 7 centimeters and 5 centimeters, and we are asked to find the radius of the circle. So ang tawag dito guys, this is what we known as the ascribed circle or the X circle guys. Ano ibig sabihin ng ascribed circle or X circle? Ito yung circle na kung saan tangent siya dun sa isang side ng isang triangle and dun sa mga ibang sides niya, extensions ng ano natin, nung mga legs natin. Kumbaga tangent yung extension nito dito, at the same time tangent siya dun sa isang side natin. Okay? So anong gagawin natin dyan, Sir IJ? Meron po ba tayong formula when it comes to finding the radius of an ascribed circle? Ascribe guys ha. So that is ascribe. Ganito po yung spelling niya mga idol ha. Ascribe circle. So the formula here is we have A, the area of the triangle is equal to R multiplied by S minus A, where R is the radius of the circle, ascribed circle. And we have S minus A. The S here stands for the semi-perimeter of the triangle. So that is the semi-perimeter of the triangle. And A is the tangent side. Tangent side. Okay? So basically guys, madali lang kunin yung area ng triangle natin. So yung area ng triangle natin is just 1/2 base times height. So that is 1/2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. So that is 35 over 2 cm squared. Ano yung semi-perimeter natin? So we need to find first the hypotenuse. So meron tayong 5 and 7. So hypotenuse, the hypotenuse is equal to the square root of 5 squared plus 7 squared. So that is 25 plus 49, that is 74. Square root of 74 centimeters. So we are now asked to find the radius of the ascribed circle. So we have area, which is 35 over 2 is equal to the radius multiplied by the semi-perimeter. Ano yung semi-perimeter niya, Sir IJ? That is the sum of the legs and the hypotenuse, or the sum of the sides, mga Lodi Cakes. So we have 5 plus 7 plus square root of 74 divided by 2. So that is equal to 12 plus square root of 74 all over 2. So we have the semi-perimeter, that is 12 plus square root of 74 all over 2 minus the tangent side ng circle natin, which is the square root of 74 or the hypotenuse minus square root of 74. So kung mapapansin natin, parehas siyang may over 2. Pwede mo i-cancel na yung over 2 na yan. 35 is equal to R multiplied by 12. Square root of 74, ito magiging 2 times square root of 74, that is negative 2. Ima-minus natin, so that is minus square root of 74. So, i-rationalize na lang natin mga Lodi in finding the value of R. So, dapat mabilis ka lang dito since this is time pressure and is only good for 60 seconds. Multiplied by 12 plus square root of 74 by the conjugate of the denominator. 12 plus square root of 74, so that is equal to 35 times 12. That is 420 plus 35 root of 74 all over 12 times 12, that is 144 minus 74. So the denominator is equal to 70. So we have now 420 plus square root of 74. Sorry, I forgot it. 35. Alright then. 420 plus 35 square root of 74 all over 60. Or sorry, 70. So 420 divided by 70. So that is 6. 35 over 70 is simply 1/2. So the correct answer, which is the radius of the circle, that is 6 plus square root of 74 over 2 centimeters. Or you can leave it as 12 plus square root of 74 all over 2 centimeters. So ayun lang guys, baka kasi pwedeng lumabas dito sa mga board exam, and dapat alam nyo yung mga definition ng mga ascribed circles natin for geometry purposes. And thank you so much guys to those who keep on supporting our channel. I hope you all the best and sana panoorin nyo pa yung mga previews and mga magiging future tutorial videos sa Sir IJ. And maraming salamat mga Lodi Geeks. Pagpalain kayo palagi. Bye-bye and God bless.